What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want to start off by just saying I know it's the first time I've uploaded a video since like January 2017, so it's almost been 2 years since I made a video. But I'm going to start the channel back up. It's going to be a little bit different. I honestly haven't fished since about that time I uploaded that video. It was probably the last time I went fishing. So I know it was a whole fishing channel, everything was about fishing, but I've graduated from high school, I got a job, I've got a new truck. Actually, that truck that's in my last video, I don't even have that truck anymore. Sold it, and I actually have a new truck. It's a 2000 GMC Sierra, fully long traveled. It's a pre-runner. Me and my buddies, we all have off-road trucks. My truck would be sitting right here, but it's actually being worked on up in Victorville, way up there in those mountains. The whole back half is being custom rebuilt right now. We're getting the whole tubular chassis, everything's being done to it. Spare tire mounts, whip mounts, gas tank filler nozzle, all that stuff. So one of my buddies, Kevin Fairley from Instagram, he's gonna be picking me up in about 10 minutes. We're gonna head up there to Fabrication, pick up my truck, go do some crazy stuff today out in the desert, go mob around for a little bit, show you guys the new truck, keep you guys updated. This channel is gonna be pretty much me and my best friend BB. He lives right up the street. He's got a 2003 Chevy Silverado that he's building right now. It's basically just gonna be an off-road channel pretty much now, building off-road trucks, long travel, all that type of stuff. So desert trips, a whole bunch of stuff like that. So let's get up there, let's go get this new truck, let's go see how it looks. Oh, hell yeah, hell yeah. You ready to go get this truck, bro?
She gave him some head, but you can't trust them bitches. And then she say, I see niggas in this bitch stunting, popping bottles, getting drunk with these bitches, and when they leave, they get followed. Make it dip, make it dip, make it dip. Yeah, baby, show me how you make it dip.
Just got done with the truck over here at Fabrication. My boy Aaron killed it.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro. Hooking it up. Got the bedsides all mounted up. Custom spare tire rack. Fucking clean. Fabrication, baby. Hit them up. Alright guys, so that's basically the end of the night. Just got back up from Victorville. Just picked up the truck. Looks sweet. I'll get some more day shots of it tomorrow, but I'm dropping off BB right now at his house. Later, homie.
So right on the driveway.
Hell yeah, his truck's right over there. You can see it. Long travel coming soon, but great night. Got to pick up the truck finally. Thank you to Aaron. Shit came out sick. We're gonna get some day shots of it. I'll put a little collab. I'll put some pictures of what it looked like before too, but that's basically the end of our night. See you guys in a little bit.